So this is how Issuma looked when I reached her in northern Newfoundland in March. You got to expect snow this time of year, so that's not a surprise. The snow covering the deck was fine. When I got to look at the cockpit, it was like, uh-oh, I always carry a shovel, but I didn't think to leave the shovel outside. The shovel was inside, behind the locked door, stuffed full of snow. Fortunately, I'd left some scrap wood on the deck, and I was able to shovel enough snow out of the way to open the door and get inside, get the shovel, and shovel the rest of the cockpit. I need to connect the shore power. Now, the place I have to connect it to is under a lot of snow. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't look good. This is the post, and no electricity. No shore power is not a problem because Issuma has both a wind generator and solar panels. You can see the solar panels underneath the wind generator. And if necessary, it also has the gasoline generator. That's it for this episode. Be another one in about a week. Subscribe if you like to see it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Until then, be well and keep sailing.